A, B, C are three non-collinear points with position vectors vector A, vector B and vector C respectively. Show that the length of the perpendicular from C on AB, from C on AB, that is CD, is equal to A cross B, B cross C and C cross A, summation of all the three divided by vector B minus vector A, magnitude of the combined form. Now, vector A, vector B and vector C are position vectors of points A, B and C of triangle ABC respectively. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to half with AB with length of perpendicular from C on AB. I have written this statement because it is in the question itself. Okay, so directly we can write it with vector AB and CD, CD, or to this we can write it now, position vector of B minus position vector of A with CD. Now this is equation 1. Also, area of triangle ABC is equal to half times vector A cross vector B, vector sum of vector B cross vector C and sum of vector C cross vector A. This is 2. Now, from 1 and 2, half vector B minus vector A with CD is equal to half summation of cross product of AB, cross product of BC, cross product of CA. Hence, CD is equal to summation of cross product of AB, cross product of BC, cross product of CA, its magnitude upon proved.